Greetings and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Catherine wheel stitch. Now this is a stitch that swoops and swirls and gives you big scallops on the top, and then you fill those valleys in later and you get these big circular motifs as you stitch. So it's a simple 4-row repeat, not nearly as hard as it looks. Let's take a look right at it. Please like this video if you get a chance, and subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. And feel free to click on some of those social media links below and follow us. And if you want us to see what you're up to, use hashtag Yarnspirations. But let's get started with the Catherine wheel stitch. So I've completed the first 5 rows of the pattern so you can see what's going on and what it's supposed to look like. And we are going to briefly go over rows 2 through 4. So I've turned at the end of the 5th row, and I'm repeating row 2. So it's chain 1, single crochet in each of next 2 double crochet. So that's the first 2. So there's 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over hook and draw up a loop in next stitch, yarn over hook and draw through 2 loops on hook 7 times. So yarn over, go in the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2. That's 1. Yarn over, in the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2. Now we're moving on to these single crochets. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. And there's 7. So that's my 7 times. I'm going to have 8 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn over and draw through all loops on hook, and it says double crochet 7 together made. So that's a lot of loops to get through. So you can see I turned the point of my hook down a little bit to make it easier to draw through all those. So you can see it's drawing in some of those doubles, all of those singles, some of those doubles. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in each of next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 7 together. Let's take a look at that one more time. Yarn over, in the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. Yarn over, through the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, pardon me, 7, yarn over and draw through all the loops on hook, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're going to repeat those instructions until you get to the very end, and you're going to have 2 single crochets, 1 in each of the last 2 double crochets. Single crochet in each of the last 2 doubles. There's 1 there. and one there. So that's what that looks like. Now moving on to the third row, chain 1, single crochet in each of next 2 single crochet. That's 1, 2, skip next 3 chains, so that's that chain 3 right there. We're going to skip that, and then 7 double crochet in next stitch. That's this big guy right here. 1, all in the same space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, skip chain 3, there it is, skip 3 chains, single crochet in each of next 3, and there's 3 just sitting there waiting for you. 1, 2, 3, so etc. Skip the 3 chain, 7 doubles in the next stitch, skip 3 chains, single crochet in each of next 3, skip next chain. We're going to do that until the very end, and then we're going to single crochet once again in each of the last 2 single crochet. There's my 7 double crochet, skip that chain 3, single crochet in each of the last 2. So that is the end of the third row. So you'll notice you've got a very scallopy edge going on here at the top, but that's okay because we're going to fill it in on the next row. So turn the work at the end of the third row. On the fourth row, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a beginning double crochet 4 together. So we're going to yarn over and draw up a loop in the next stitch, but we actually mean the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just like when we did the 7, except we're stopping after 4. We'll have 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, draw it through all the loops on the hook. And there's our beginning double crochet 4 together. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in each of next 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet 7 together, which is exactly the way we did it before. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once again, the previous row we had these scallops. Now we're going back and filling them in. So we're at the end of the fourth row, and we're going to have another double crochet 4 together, and we're going to use these last 4 stitches, the last 2 double crochets and the last 2 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll have 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, draw through all 5. Alright, so we're smooth on the top again. Now let's see if we can mess that up and make it all scalloped again. So we've turned the work. Let's chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet in the first stitch, so that counts as 4 double crochet total. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip next 3 chain, which is that chain 3 right there, single crochet in each of next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip next chain 3, 7 double crochet in next stitch. So that's all there is to the Catherine wheel. You're just going to keep repeating those 4 rows until you get as much stitching done as you need. And then I like to end with one of the rows that straightens things out. I don't like to end on a scallop row because then it doesn't match the beginning. So thank you so much for joining me here on the Catherine wheel stitch. I'm Mary Beth Temple from Hooked for Life. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. Let us know how you're making out with the Catherine wheel stitch by following us on the various social media platforms, by clicking on the links below, and using hashtag Yarnspirations so we can see your Catherine wheel project. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.